Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is Exploitation Frameworks. So let's get started. The digital world is becoming increasingly complex and the threats we face online are continuously evolving. To safeguard our digital infrastructure, we must be proactive in identifying and neutralizing these threats. One way of doing this is by employing an exploitation framework. But what exactly is an exploitation framework? An exploitation framework is a software application or system designed to identify potential security vulnerabilities in a computer system or network and exploit these weaknesses to their full extent. These tools are essentially like having a locksmith with a master key set. They can unlock or exploit the digital doors you didn't even know existed. This might sound harmful, but the intention is not to cause damage, but rather to uncover potential weaknesses before the bad actors do. The process can be automated or manually conducted, depending on the nature and sophistication of the framework and the skill level of the operator. An automated approach involves running pre-configured scripts or commands to identify and exploit the vulnerabilities. This can be done at a scale and without much technical knowledge. Manual exploitation, on the other hand, involves a more tailored and surgical approach. Here the user has a deep understanding of the system and craft tests to exploit specific vulnerabilities. One of the most well-known examples of an exploitation framework is Metasploit, which is an open source project that provides users with the tools and resources to perform detailed security vulnerability assessments. Metasploit is designed to help system administrator and security professionals identify vulnerabilities in their networks and system, craft exploits, and manage security assessment. Immunity Canvas and Core Impact are examples of commercial exploitation frameworks. These are proprietary tools that provide similar functionality but often include professional support and are accompanied by regular updates and patches which keep the framework up to date with the latest vulnerabilities and exploit techniques. Using these exploitation frameworks allows security professional and system administrator to customize and craft their vulnerability assessment and test to suit their specific needs. For example, a security administrator may know that their network has particular software that could be vulnerable and those choose to focus their test on those areas. However, it's worth noting that using an exploitation framework carries a higher risk compared to simply running a vulnerability scanner. While a vulnerability scanner only identifies potential weaknesses, an exploitation framework goes a step further and attempts to fully exploit these vulnerabilities. This more aggressive approach could inadvertently cause data loss or system downtime, as the process could destabilize the system being tested. Because of this potential for harm, it's important to have a reliable backup of all critical data and systems before testing with an exploitation framework. Also, having a solid incident response policy is essential, as these outlines how your organization will respond if a test inadvertently causes a significant issue or even a breach. In a nutshell, think of the backup and incident response policy as your safety net when conducting these high-wire security assessments. The ultimate goal of an exploitation framework is not to cause harm, but rather to thoroughly test the system's robustness and resilience. The ideal outcome is to reveal any hidden or unanticipated vulnerabilities, then patch these weaknesses before an attacker can exploit them. Therefore, the use of an exploitation framework forms part of a comprehensive IT security strategy. Exploitation frameworks are widely used by system administrator, security administrator, and penetration testers. These professionals use these tools to stress test the IT infrastructure and uncover security vulnerabilities that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, imagine you are a security administrator for a large corporation. Your company has just launched a new application and you want to ensure it as secure as possible. By using an exploitation framework like Metasploit, you can simulate a real-world attack on the application, identify vulnerabilities and fix them before they are exploited by actual attackers. The use of the exploitation framework in this scenario can mean the difference between a secure app and a data breach. In conclusion, an exploitation framework serves as a valuable tool in the cybersecurity landscape. It aids in the detection and exploitation of vulnerabilities in a system, helping to ensure the security of that system. The use of these frameworks may involve risk, but with appropriate precautions, such as having a robust backup and incident response policy. They can help bolster your IT infrastructure resilience. Just remember, the goal is not to create havoc, but to simulate what an attacker might do, allowing you to take steps to protect your digital assets before any harm is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.